For millennia, watches have been created in many forms, developing from early timekeeping devices such as sundials and water clocks. The first mechanical clocks were created in Europe in the 14th century, and the technology progressed to pocket watches and finally, wristwatches. The first timepieces were created by hand by professional watchmakers using conventional equipment and techniques. They would make the gears, springs, and other components before assembling them into a working watch. This early time huge and bulky with limited accuracy. In the 1500s, a German locksmith called Peter Henlein constructed one of the oldest accounts of a portable watch. Although historians disagree, Henlein is often regarded as the creator of the first watch. Early watches were often powered by a mainspring which would slowly unwind several hours, driving the gears and hands of the watch. Watchmaking became a well-established business in Switzerland in the 17th century, with craftsmen specialized in various elements of watchmaking, as engraving, enameling, and polishing. This resulted in an improvement in the quality and accuracy of timepieces, which were now more trustworthy and could now show more intricate information, such as moon phases. The 18th century saw an increase in demand for watches, particularly among rich people who considered them as both useful clocks and status symbols. This resulted in a plethora of styles and designs, with watchmakers experimenting various materials like gold, silver, and enamel, and producing ornate cases of the lever escapement, which dramatically improved watch accuracy, contributed to an upsurge in the popularity of pocket timepieces in the 19th century. Wristwatches, however, became more practical and popular with the start of World War I, and by the mid-20th century had virtually superseded pocket watches as chosen timepiece. Hamilton Watch Company created the first digital watch in 1972. The pulsar watch was a groundbreaking invention that replaced the traditional watch hands with a LED display that displayed the time digitally. Pulsar initially priced at $2,100, making it a high-end item, but as the technology became more widely available, price began to fall, making digital watches more affordable to the general population. In the years that followed, digital watches grew increasingly popular, and a number of manufacturers, including Casio, Timex, Seiko, joined the market. These businesses created increasingly sophisticated functions for digital timepieces, such as alarm clock, calculator, and even games. The Casio G-Shock, which was meant to be shock resistant for outdoor activities, was one of the most popular digital watches in the 1980s. This watch became a symbol of toughness and was worn by athletes, military personnel, and fashion enthusiasts alike. The popularity of digital watches fell in the 1990s, while classic analog timepieces made a comeback. With the emergence of smartwatches in 2010, however, digital timepieces became a popular choice for people looking for a watch that could link to their smartphones and offer additional capabilities such as fitness monitoring and texting. Nowadays, digital watches remain a popular choice for many individuals with a variety of designs to meet a variety of preference and demand. Today, watchmaking is a highly specialized and skilled industry with a focus on precision, craftsmanship, and design. While many watches are now powered by electronic movement, traditional mechanical watches remain popular among collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate their intricate mechanisms and handcrafted beauty.
Please do well to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified when we drop a new video. Thank you.